Good morning, students. Welcome to class 9 Economics, chapter 2, and its name is People as Resource. Before going towards our today's topic, I just want to ask some question from you that is related to our previous classes and also to previous chapter. So here my first question is, those things which satisfy the need of human being is known as? Yes, that is resources. My second question is related to our previous chapter. What do you mean by human capital? Yes, the knowledge, skill and efforts of human being is known as human capital. So, our today's chapter is related to human capital, that means human resources. So, our today's topic is people as resource. Here we will cover the introduction of people as resource and types of investments on people as resource. After watching today's video, you will be able to recognize the people as a resource, and you also will be able to identify the investments that convert the population into human resource. To cover today's topic, I have made the 3 videos. So carefully watch these 3 videos. Now we will go towards our first topic, that is people as resource. Now what is human resource? Is it like land or labor? Yes, it is more than that. It you have covered in your chapter 1. That human capital or human resource is more than land or labor. No doubt that land and labor are also resources because they also satisfy our needs. But human being is one who can manage the land and labor. So it is more than that. Now what is human capital? Is it like rupee, paisa or dollar? Because it contains the capital. No. Even it is more than that, which we cover in today's class. People as a resource, our first topic. Now, people as a resource is an effort to explain population as an asset for the economy rather than a liability. Now, firstly, understand the meaning of asset and liability. Here by asset we mean a useful or valuable person, and by liability we mean responsibility of someone. So that person who is the responsibility of someone, he depends on other. So now we will again go towards the definition. People as a resource is an effort. People as a resource है क्या? It is an effort to explain. ये explanation है population की या human being की as an asset. People as a resource population को explain करने का एक effort है जिसमें कि population अगर एक यूजफुल जब वैल्यूएबल पर्सन में चेंज हो जाए, दैट मीन्स कि कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग जब यूजफुल जब वैल्यूएबल पर्सन में चेंज होता है और वो दूसरे के ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं रहता, वो दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रहता, रादर देन दैट मीन्स कि वो दूसरे के ऊपर उस लायबिलिटी रहने की बजाय एक यूजफुल पर्सन बनेगा, तो उसको हम पीपल एज रिसोर्स काउंट करेंगे. सो इन द सेम सेंस पॉपुलेशन का वो पार्ट जो कि यूजफुल होता है, जिसमें यूजफुल और वैल्यूएबल पर्सन्स होते हैं, जो कि दूसरे की लायबिलिटी या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होते। दैट मीन्स कि वो दूसरों पे डिपेंड नहीं करते, उसे हम पीपल एज रिसोर्स बोलते हैं। सो इन दिस वे people as a resource is a way of referring to countries' working population in terms of their existing skills and abilities. Obviously जब किसी में कोई स्किल होती है या एबिलिटी होती है काम करने की, तो उन्हें उस टाइम पे एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड होता है। डन। और एम्प्लॉयड पर्सन्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वर्किंग पीपल। वर्किंग पीपल हमेशा इकोनॉमी के लिए यूजफुल और वैल्यूएबल पर्सन होता है। इकोनॉमी के लिए वो एक असेट होता है, वो इकोनॉमी के लिए लायबिलिटी नहीं होता, बिकॉज ही नेवर डिपेंड्स ऑन अदर, वो दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं करता। सो वर्किंग पीपल क्या बनाता है? वो पीपल को एक रिसोर्स बनाता है। लाइक अदर रिसोर्सेज, पॉपुलेशन इज ऑल्सो अ रिसोर्स। जैसे कि दूसरे रिसोर्सेज हैं जो कि हमारी नीड्स एंड वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, ऐसे ही कुछ ह्यूमन बीइंग भी हमारी नीड्स एंड वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। इन दैट वे हम उनको ह्यूमन रिसोर्स बोलते हैं। एंड दिस इज द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ लार्ज पॉपुलेशन। और जब ह्यूमन बीइंग हमारे काम आ रहा है, व्हेन द ह्यूमन बीइंग is satisfying our needs and wants, so that means large population will have the positive side at that time. Sometimes we say that region has more population, a large population, so we consider it as a negative aspect of that population, that if the population will more, that means the resources will less in that area. But if we take the positive side of large population, अगर यही हम positive side ले large population की कि if अगर large population में से more of the part of that population is the working population or is working as human resource, then that will be the positive side of large population. Now, here some examples of the human capital or human resources. For example, doctor. A doctor is a human capital or human resource because he is satisfying the health needs of this lady. And this teacher is also a human resource because he is satisfying the needs for knowledge of students. He is providing the knowledge to the student. Here, this tailor is also a human resource because he is stitching the clothes for someone. So, the services provided by these men is satisfying the needs or wants of other people. That is why these are called human capital or human resources. Now, how to convert people into resources? That is called human resource. This topic we will cover in our second video. So, go to the second video.